Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what is a red bug? They can go by many names, a red bug, a berry bug, or a harvest bug, but their most common name is a chigger. No matter what you call them, their bites can pack a punch. Chiggers live in tall grass, weeds, and wooded areas, and are most active in spring and summer when the temperatures are warm. Chiggers are very tiny and can't be seen without a magnifying glass. The adults are 1/60th of an inch. The larvae are the biters and actually feed on your skin cells. Now they don't carry any diseases, however their bites can cause intense itching and red welts. So if you're gardening or you're working in your yard a lot, make sure you're treating regularly. If you're concerned about chiggers at a park or at your favorite hiking trail, just make sure you're staying on the main paths. This will keep you away from chiggers and the boogeyman. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. It's a guy on his motorcycle, and he's not even wearing black, but he says he's back in black. Yeah, you're not allowed to listen to that song, sir. You can't listen to songs like that unless you're wearing something black. I got black socks on. You're like, oh, you got me.